Right, at FoneFunShop.co.uk we're going to show you how to unlock a Nokia 6233. This requires test points. So first of all we need to strip it all down. We're going to be unlocking it today on MT Pro Lite and Nokia MT box. That's all rigged up already. We've got USB in, power in. The MT Pro box is connected. We've already got the cable in ready for the phone and the test point needles. So let's strip it down first of all. So we need to take the back off, battery out. There's two screws here that need to come out. So those two are out. Now we need to take the front off. So what we tend to do is just pry it up a little bit, like so, and then run your thumbnail up, or you can use like an opening tool, whichever you're more comfortable with. So that's one side done. To the other. Just be a bit careful when you're popping it at the top, so it does get a little bit stuck. And that's off. Now that's removed. We've got an extra 4 screws that need to come out. These are different colour, so remember these screws need to go back in last when you put it back together. Right, so we've got those 4 screws out. So now we just need to pop out the board. Now the test points we need to get to are underneath this can. So I'm just using my fingernail and we just pop that can off to expose your test points. Okay, the test points we're actually going to accessing are in this part of the phone. So obviously they're too small for naked eye, so we need to use a microscope. Now we always use these 30 times zoom microscopes because they're spot on. They're perfect really for the job. I'm just going to get this in place and focused, ready. Now, if you've got MT or BB5 box or whichever tool you're going to use, on your manual or your test point pictures it'll show you that the test points we need to touch are this one here and this one here. So obviously they're quite small, so it's a bit of fine work that needs doing. So first thing we need to do now is get the phone all hooked up. So you put your DKU connection on. I'm actually using blue tack to position this. It comes off nice and clean and everything. And keeps it in a nice stable position. We need to connect positive power. Again, this will be shown on your test point pictures where to connect these if you're not sure. We need to put your BSI line to the middle. And lastly, we need to connect as earth. Now, I always earth on the wiggly part of the vibrating motor. Seems to work good for me with this particular phone. Now, we need to turn the phone on, which is the button at the top. Now, on MT, you get a little light showing you there's a green light on there. That's telling you that the phone's turned on. So now we're ready to launch software and get this phone unlocked. So I've already got the software running. Make sure you've got these 2 boxes, BB538 backup ticked and BB5RI backup ticked. That'll make a backup of your phone in case there's any problems. And now we press phone info. So it's read the phone. I'm going to press SIM lock state. This will actually tell me what locks are locked. So you can tell it's locked. It's a locked phone. it's had no attempts at unlocking by test points, and it's had no attempts at unlocking by codes. So press unlock. Now this is actually waiting for me now to put my test points in place, and you'll hear a pinging. So we don't need to look at this software, we need to concentrate on its magnified picture. I'm going to get my test points. So first of all I'll put that left hand one in place, followed by the right hand one. Missed it. I've grounded there, just hang on. Just going to cancel that. Just press unlock again. Try again. Okay, you heard that ping then, that means the phone's unlocked, so you can release your test point. If I flick back onto the software, you'll see that the test point was okay, the unlock was successful, and it's reread the SIM lock status, and it's now telling me the phone's unlocked. So that's a 6233 successfully unlocked by FoneFunShop.co.uk. All tools and videos are available to buy online, including microscopes as well as the boxes. Thanks for watching.